Hi students, I'm going to give you a quick tutorial as to how to open these Google Earth files for the PETM lab, and then I'll show you how to turn them on and off in Google Earth and to move around a little bit. This is going to be critical for doing the lab in Module 1. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is go to the lab, and I'm going to show you how to download a file. You just click on that file like this, and then it'll open it directly in Google Earth Pro. You can see that. So I go OK, and now it's opening my site locations with the site information. I'm gonna move the location here a little bit so that we're centered in the middle there. And let's say I want to open the Tanzania file to get the data out of it. I'm going to click on that place mark like that, and then I can read the data right off there. Oxygen 30.5 degrees centigrade pre-event, oxygen 41.9 degrees centigrade PETM. So you can then just type those numbers right into your spreadsheet. Want to move to another location, I'm going to rotate around. Let's pick 527 site, and I click on that again. Pre-event, magnesium calcium, PETM, magnesium calcium. Just put those right into your spreadsheet. It's really easy. Okay, so notice that my PETM data files are over here in my places, right? They're actually in my temporary places for now. When I close Google Earth, it will ask me if I want to save them. So you can turn this on and off just by clicking like this. Bingo, off they go. Bingo, back they come. All right, and then here are the other files that I've actually preloaded: my paleogeography, my future climate, and my current climate my current sea surface temperatures. Paleogeography, current temperatures, future temperatures. So if I want to turn on my paleogeography, I just go click, and on it comes. You can see the locations of the continents then were a little bit different. I want to turn it off. Bam, off it goes. I want to turn on my future temperature file. There it is. This is for the one of the climate reconstructions for the future. It's a bit blurry, but you can still read the numbers. You can see 2.4, 0.8. These are temperature changes that you'll be able to compare with the PETM warming, which was part of the last part of this lab. And then current sea surface temperatures, bam, here it goes. There are my current sea surface temperatures, and you have the scale at the bottom. So once again, you just need to make sure as you go through this lab that you're comfortable turning on and off these different layers, because you'll need some of them on and some of them off at individual times, as is explained to you in the instructions. So that's a quick go over as to how to do the main functions that you'll need for Module 1 Lab. And please let Robert and me know if you have any questions, and I will talk to you guys later on. All right, now I need to turn this off, and have a good day, everybody.